So what exactly are peptides? Let's start by thinking of them as tiny superheroes within our bodies, made up of short chains of amino acids. Today on Pains and Gains, we'll be discussing the fascinating world of peptides and their role of promoting muscle growth amongst other benefits. Peptides are like the messengers of our body, carrying out important instructions to different cells and tissues. They play a vital role in various biological processes, including muscle growth and repair. Now, you might be wondering how these mighty molecules can help us achieve those gains we've been working so hard for. One specific group of peptides called growth hormone-releasing peptides, GHRPs, has gained attention in the fitness community. These peptides work by stimulating the release of human growth hormone, HGH, from our pituitary gland. HGH is a powerful hormone that regulates growth and metabolism, and it's no surprise that many athletes and bodybuilders are interested in its muscle-building potential. By boosting HGH levels, GHRPs may contribute to increased muscle mass, enhanced recovery, and improved performance. These peptides may also promote the synthesis of collagen, a protein that strengthens connective tissues, such as tendons and ligaments, supporting overall joint health. It's important to note that while peptides hold promise, they are not a magic solution. Consistency in training, proper nutrition, and rest remain key factors in achieving muscle growth. Peptides should only be used under the guidance of healthcare professionals, as they require careful consideration of dosage, administration, and potential side effects. So remember, while peptides can potentially offer an extra boost on your journey to gains, they are just one piece of the puzzle. Remember, hard work, dedication, and a well-rounded approach to fitness will always be the foundation for achieving your muscle-building goals. Thanks again for tuning in to Pains and Gains. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, nutrition advice, and self-improvement insights. Peace.